As business owners and entrepreneurs, we can find ourselves too busy, stuck in our businesses, to find any genuine opportunities out there. But right now, the global e-commerce industry is now worth over 5 trillion. And while that number sounds massive, here's what matters more. There are countless opportunities right now to acquire profitable e-commerce businesses for a fraction of what they're actually worth. The problem: most people don't know where to start. They don't know where to look for the opportunities. And even if they do, they tend to get stuck in the weeds. They're trying to identify the right brand. They're trying to conduct proper due diligence, and then obviously trying to negotiate the deal. And then comes managing the business itself. And the list goes on and on and on with the different problems. But let's be honest, buying a business can be a tough thing for anybody, especially when you're already working maybe full-time, or you have a business that you already operate, or maybe you're managing investments and you're trying to have a work-life balance as it stands. The last thing you want is to buy another business that turns into another job. But what if you didn't have to? What if you could bypass all that stress and go straight to owning a profitable, well-managed e-commerce brand with serious growth potential? Because that's exactly what our acquisition partnership program is built for. It's designed for driven entrepreneurs and investors just like you. You've got the capital, you've got the ambition, but you don't know where to start, and you don't want to get bogged down with all the logistics and the operations and the technical headaches. And that's where we come in, and that's where we tend to be able to help you. So what is it that we do that you don't have to do? Well, we start off with the strategic acquisitions. We'll source an e-commerce brand with serious upside, and we'll buy them below market value. You don't need to spend months trying to hunt deals or haggling over contracts. Our team handles all the heavy lifting with seasoned negotiators, securing terms and making financial sense for you and the brand. With rebranding and optimization, once we acquire the business, we get to work. We rebrand it, optimize the back end, streamline the customer journey, and then enhance the overall value of the brand. Scalable growth strategies. We follow a proven framework that's already driven 5 or 10x growth in just 12 or 24 months. There's no fluff, just battle-tested systems. Profitable exits. The goal, a return for you of 3 to 4x on your original investment. Whether that's through a full exit or you have a continued ownership. You walk away with profit and options. And here's the best part. We manage the entire process, the entire thing for you, from the acquisition to growth to the exit. Our team runs the show. You simply focus on your career or on your current business or your family or your long-term goals or whatever it is that you want. Right now, we're offering you a 7-day, no obligation free trial. And we'll talk more about that shortly. Here's what the process would look like for you if you were to jump in. 1, we find the right brand. We research and identify undervalued e-commerce brands with a major upside. You'll get a short list to review, no guesswork. Then you look at due diligence. We dig deep into the numbers, the operations, the market positioning, so you don't have to. The acquisition. We negotiate, you approve, that's it. We then rebrand and optimize. We revamp the brand, fix the cracks, and prepare it for scaling. Then comes the scale up. Using our growth systems, we push the business to 5 or 10x in 1 to 2 years. Then comes the exit with profit. We aim for a profitable exit with a 3 to 4x ROI, or continue growing if that's what you prefer. And again, you don't lift a finger. We handle everything of the complete process. About us. Our partners are a registered company in Europe and North America. They've helped clients in the US, Ireland, UK, and across Europe. We find and grow serious e-commerce assets, and all without having to manage the day-to-day operations for you. Wherever you're based, the program is 100% tailored to suit any business owner or investor that wants to be part of this structure. And here's what you see. You keep 100% ownership of everything. No need for full-time involvement. We work within EU legal work frameworks, and we don't charge any retainers, only performance-based profit sharing. This is all about more than just revenue. It's about building an asset that works for you. Imagine waking up one day and seeing consistent sales rolling in and knowing you didn't burn your weekends or learning Facebook ads or trying to manage VAs or trying to manage a second business. Instead, you've got freedom, real freedom. So here's what we suggest you do next. Take advantage of our 7-day free trial. We're opening this to just 5 investors over the next quarter. And here's what that looks like during the trial. We'll show you real businesses below market value. We'll show you full due diligence breakdown on them businesses. We'll show you live seller meetings with them businesses. And we'll also show you a step-by-step roadmap on how we're going to scale it. Your risk is absolutely nothing, but you could gain everything by taking hold of this opportunity. So here's your next move. Book your free consultation call right now. And let's see if you're a fit for the program and if we're a good fit for you. This could be the smartest move you ever make this year. And let's build your next income machine without all the stress associated with it. We can't wait to help and see you succeed.